Hello. So today is Monday. I always forget to check the date. Today's Monday, April 11th, and normally I would be leaving right now, going to school, but my husband and I forgot to take our daughter's car seat out of his car and put it back in mine. So she has to stay home with me today. I'm gonna try to record more for these weekly school vlogs. So we're on a new chapter. We're on chapter 19, I believe. I don't know why they go in that order. They go like back and forth. That's why I did my hair, I did my makeup, and then my husband called me and was like, can't leave, I have the car seat. Chapter 19, which is hair wigs and extensions or something like that, but we won't actually be going in depth with wigs or extensions because if you saw my previous vlog, we do not go over how to do extensions. That's something that we have to self-teach ourselves. This is the shortest chapter out of the whole block. We're briefly gonna go over it and then we'll be done. So we have a packet that we have to do. I will show you. So this is what the packet looks like. It's not that thick because, like I said, it's a short chapter. So our other ones have been thicker than this. This is due this week, I believe. I started it, so I just have to finish it. And then I also have a discussion forum, which is pretty much just like an essay talking about the chapter. So I have this and I have that to do, so I'll get that done hopefully today. This is not due today, but the discussion forum is. This is due Wednesday, I believe, but just get it, try to get it done and get it out of the way. Try to remember to put the car seat in my car so I can go to school tomorrow. Sorry, my makeup stand is such a mess. This is mine and my husband's room. Sorry about the clothes there. I have to fold those, but I never did an apartment tour. And honestly, I probably won't. I probably won't at this point. We've been here for 3, going on 4 months. I really don't have the time. I got a job finally, so I go to school Monday through Thursday, and then I'm gonna be working Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I'm not really gonna have much time, and my school vlogs are probably gonna be the only videos for a little while going up, just because I won't have too much time. But yeah, I mean, I can show you now. Well, no. I mean, I guess. Do you guys want to see my apartment? Probably not. You probably don't care, but this is mine and my husband's room. Hold on. It's a mess, but this is reality. This is real life. So this is mine and my husband's room that we don't sleep in. This is an air mattress on an actual like bed frame. And the only reason why we don't sleep in here is because this is an air mattress and it is super duper uncomfortable. My daughter is the only one right now that has her own bed. So me and my husband have been sleeping on the couch. But this is our room. Come over here and we have 2 closets. So this side over here is mine. And these are actually pretty big closets as well. Then this is my husband's side. I'm not gonna open his, just for, I don't mind showing mine, but his, I don't know if he wants privacy reasons, out of respect for him. But this is our bathroom. It's kind of tiny, but don't mind the garbage. This is our bathroom. Yeah. Then you come back through here.
Oh no! The firefighter.
This is our living room here.
I need your help.
Yeah, that right there is actually our coffee table that came with the couch. There's the other stand because I'm using that one for my makeup. There's the other one, they're like nightstands or whatever. And then that is our coffee table. We don't have a TV stand, so we're using that. This is our kitchen. Over there, we have dryer, washer, and that's also our pantry. which if you saw my last video, which was a spring clean with me, you would have saw the pantry. This is our kitchen. There's Liara. If you open this up, got some pretty light ends. This is where we get a lot of our natural lighting, which is awesome. You can tell my husband was out there because there is a beer bottle right there. There is a storage closet, so we put all of our storage stuff in there. This is our balcony. There's my car right there. Okay, and then this is our daughter's room, and thankfully she cleaned it the other day. So this is her room. We're supposed to be getting her new dresser. It was supposed to come with her bed, we thought, but it's actually back ordered, so her bed's supposed to be coming sometime this month, I'm pretty sure. Along with, I think it's called a trundle or whatever that goes underneath the bed. So this is her room, and then over here is her closet, which this is probably a mess. Oh no, she cleaned it a little bit. Okay, cool. So this is her closet. Yeah. This is hers. Nice big walk-in closet. That's normally where we keep our linens, like our blankets and sheets. And then this door leads to her bathroom and the guest bathroom. So I'll bring you over there. This is the hallway. This is a closet. That's the front door. Then you come in here. And this is her bathroom. Me and my pajamas, sorry. But yeah, this is her bathroom. A lot bigger than ours. But this is also the guest bathroom. So, and then the toilet, it has a bidet, which I made a TikTok showing that. Yeah, that's it. That's our apartment. It's 2 bed, 2 bath. Planning on cleaning it, and this is our little dining area, and that's still up from our daughter's birthday, which was March 19th. We still have yet to take it down. But this is like the dining area. We just don't have a table for it yet. And I would clean it. That's what I wanted to do. Have it nice and neat and clean. And then just go through and show the apartment. But I started the video, never finished it, never had the time to. So that's okay. That's all right. But yeah, little quick brief view of our apartment. Yeah. This is my wedding song.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I walked down the aisle to this at my wedding. Why is this coming out like this? My hand hurts. This one's coming out better than the other one, though.
What?
This one's coming out better than the other one.
See, keep going. I know you can do it. Just
Well, you said once I get one that looks better, so this one
I
looks
have
better.
faith
Can
in
I
you.
stop?
when I see a perfect one, you can stop.
This one's a perfect one.
That's better. That's a better one.
See? So can I stop now?
You're improving. You are improving.
So basically it's cornrows but sideways.
Sideways.
Yeah.
When you do the sewing, you can do like a little snake, or maybe like a little like circle around the head.
How
But
do we keep the ends from unraveling?
I have
Oh yeah,
So
no.
at the ends you would connect it and continue on.
No, when you finish over here, you take the section and you start the braid over here and do like a little turn.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Not happening.
Yeah. Yeah, that one looks like doo-doo.
But you're improving, see?
Yeah, it looks
You can do it, Josie.
Definitely better than what I can do.
You can do it too, Nicole.
You got it, you got it. So today is Wednesday the 13th, and normally it's at home, but I'm here today because of Monday. My teacher cut my hair for me today, I wanted something a little different rather than coloring it or lightening it because I don't want to do any chemicals to my hair. My hair's finally at a good state, like health-wise. I just have to take my brushes and stuff out of barbicide and rinse them off. So those were put in barbicide, so now I gotta go rinse them off. So this is what I was working on yesterday. They're not perfect, so those of you who do braids, don't come after me. But my hand was getting so tired because you have to keep tension in there. So I started off kind of good, and then as I got towards the end, my hand was getting tired, so they're a little bit more loose. But it improved a little bit more and more as I got to the top. Okay. So this is what we've been using. It's just the cream. Gives us a little bit more control of the hair, so there's no frizzies, flyaways. And then we just normally, if you're doing like real cornrows to add hair, you would do the cornrows as like a zigzag. You would just connect it and keep going, but he's just having us put hair ties at the end because we're just practicing it for now. Anyway. Okay, let's try that again. Hey, it still came out kind of sideways. So this is the one that I just did. Look at that. Hey, all right. And if you had to do a whole head of this, that would be time consuming.
That's why you don't charge for it.
This takes forever.
That's why you don't charge for it.
Go a little higher.
And then you can see that it's a little loose because the braid is not too tight to the scalp. It's a little bigger, so. You're going through?
Yeah, don't you go through?
No, that's the first one. The other one, you go around it.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay, you can do that one too. Same that technique.
Okay.
Go ahead. So going here.
See?
I can't.
It's so nice and warm in the hallway. Hi guys. Still at home. We're getting ready to leave. The lighting is horrible. Hold on, sorry. Is that a little better? We're getting ready to leave. It is Thursday the 14th. We are taking a field trip today. We are going to a senior center to do haircuts on the residents there. So I'm really glad that our school and our teacher did this for us to be able to have that experience. Plus it'd be really cool to make the residents feel good about themselves, you know? So I'm excited. It should be fun. We're getting ready to leave, but figured I'd let you know. We're gonna go to a senior center today. Yay! Hi guys, it's Friday. Yes, I'm in my daughter's closet really quick because she's sleeping on the couch and my husband's home, and I always feel awkward talking to the camera when they're there. I don't know why. I don't know. Today's Friday, so yesterday at the senior center it was a lot of fun. I did 3 people yesterday. Every single one of us forgot to do a before and after picture. Did 3 people. The first lady, I thought it was her hair, but she came and sat down and took her hair off, so it was a wig, and she didn't really have much hair, and she asked me to just shave it. I felt bad, but shaved it all off for her. And then the second one, she wanted the bottom, like the back, to be shorter and then the top to be a little bit longer. So I did that for her. It came out really nice. And then the last one was the graduated. So she wanted the back to be shorter and then gradually get longer towards the front. And my teacher helped me with that one. But it was really cool yesterday. And if I could do it again, that would be great. Everyone there was really nice, and the residents were really sweet. So, but yeah, that is it for this week of Cosmo School. Yay! We're almost done with block 3. Getting pretty close. But that's it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I thank you so much for watching. And hopefully I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!